The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery hues, and you're scrolling through your phone, maybe looking at another cat video. But what if that scroll, that little moment of downtime, could be working for you? What if, while you're unwinding, your money was out there, silently growing? Sounds like a dream, right? We've all heard the big terms: stocks, bonds, real estate. They sound complex, intimidating even. We imagine suited individuals on trading floors, shouting orders, or property moguls sipping champagne. It feels out of reach for the everyday person. The idea of investing often conjures images of needing a massive lump sum to start, or a degree in finance to understand. This perception, while understandable, has kept countless people from taking control of their financial future. The truth is, investing has evolved, becoming more accessible and intuitive than ever before. You don't need to be a Wall Street wizard or have a trust fund to get started. You just need a little bit of knowledge and the right tools. And that brings us to Raiz. If you've been curious about dipping your toes into the investment world but have felt overwhelmed by where to begin, then Raiz might just be the answer you've been looking for. So, what kind of investment is Raiz? At its core, Raiz is a micro-investing platform. Think of it as a digital piggy bank that automatically invests your spare change. How does it work? Imagine you buy a coffee for 750 Nigerian Nairas. Raiz can round that up to 1,000 Nigerian Nairas and invest the extra 250 Nigerian Nairas. These small, seemingly insignificant amounts, when aggregated over time, can grow into substantial sums. It's the power of compounding in action, working quietly in the background of your everyday life. Raiz offers diversified portfolios, meaning your money isn't put into just one stock or one type of asset. Instead, it's spread across various investments, like different types of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that hold a basket of stocks or bonds. This diversification is a key principle of smart investing, as it helps to mitigate risk. If one area of the market isn't performing well, others might be, helping to balance out your returns. You also have the flexibility to choose a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance, whether you're comfortable with more aggressive growth strategies or prefer a more conservative approach. Raiz makes this selection process straightforward, presenting options in an easy-to-understand format. Beyond roundups, you can also set up recurring investments, making regular contributions to your portfolio, or make lump sum deposits whenever you have extra funds. It's designed to be flexible and fit into your financial habits. In essence, Raiz takes the complexity out of investing and makes it approachable for everyone, regardless of their financial literacy or starting capital. It's an investment in your future, built on the principle that small amounts can lead to big results. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.